Happy Saturday. I thought it's Sunday. Happy Saturday. So we are out now and it was a typical Saturday morning. We woke up late, had our tea and shake, took Marvel out for a walk. He played around everywhere and then now he's home and we are out to pamper ourselves. We're gonna go get some pedicure and I think I'm also gonna get my nails done. I'm not sure about that. So and that is what we're gonna do now, and we already had our lunch. So last night we went to an Indian restaurant here in West Palm Beach. It's called Indus. So we had leftover food from that, so we just had that. And he is doing what?
Trying to
look for a good song. Yes. Yes, so we are heading out now. Oh, I love this song.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. But the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices. They running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And then when you get to the top and I see that you've been learning. And when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump that confirmed it. Track money, Benny. I buy you champagne, but you let some Henny. From the block like you Jenny. I know you special, girl, cause I know too many. Be sure, do you love me?
Okay, so next weekend we have an Indian festival coming up. It's called Raksha Bandhan, and what this means is it is a celebration of brother and sister relationship. So I have an elder brother. If you guys don't know, I'm gonna make you guys meet him next week when he comes to meet us over here. So he's coming over and he already sent me the pre-Raksha Bandhan gift where I can do some online shopping and all this stuff. So we're gonna come back home after a pedicure and do some online shopping. Pedicure and manicure. You wanna see? I even have a cute slipper.
okay. So we are done pampering ourselves for the day, and she's happy.
Yes.
So we are gonna go check out this store that we haven't been to. So we are just gonna go check it out, casual, see if we are gonna like it or not.
It's called Urban Outfitters.
Yeah. So we have no clue. We have never been to this store. We have just seen this new store coming up in social media a lot. People mentioning it. So we thought we'll just go check it out and see how it, whether we like it or not. So see you guys there.
And we are here. We Which way?
And we found it. So this is the downtown area, and there's so many restaurants here that we have to try. The one right here is Texas de Brazil, and they have like nice place. We have heard a lot about it. They have kind of
buffet.
yeah, so you can eat as much you can, all the meat in different forms. For people from India, it's kind of a concept like we have in Barbecue Nation back in India.
Something like
so
that.
something like that, but it's all meat. So anyways, this is the downtown. We have a nice sitting over here. Let's go check out this amazing store that have been popping up in the social media for a long time. Best timing. My enthusiasm took us into a wrong store, so now we are going into the right one. We went into some other store, random store.
Yeah.
This is Urban Outfitters.
Here.
So we are going in. This looks like a nice place. Okay, we have had our share of fun. We went to some new shops in the downtown area. We recently moved in the area, so we are still exploring new places. So the shops were totally amazing. So we are heading back home now because we are hungry, and we are probably gonna go eat something at home, and then tonight I'm gonna cook. He's gonna attack me. No! we just came home, and he was so bored that he wanted to play. So he brought up his bone to play with. You were bored? Were you bored? Were you bored? All alone? No. Stay out. Marvel, out. And we decided to have cheese noodles. These are Korean cheese noodles. So we decided to have cheese noodles because that is the quickest thing we can have right now. We are very hungry, and once we are done eating, we are going to edit the vlog, and I think she's gonna do some online shopping because we didn't really get anything from the stores. So I think she's gonna check sometime online, and we'll keep you posted.